We are at the skate park. Tell your name to the camera,
No.
please. And you are in what grade?
I'm in 6th grade and I like to skirt board.
Oh!
What is he gonna do? He's jumping so high. Oh.
Skate filmmakers, you know that, right?
Okay, that's great.
I got a new board today.
Yeah, what do you think about it?
It's fucking beautiful.
And you haven't ridden it yet, right?
No.
All right, let's do this.
Oh, fuck my... Oh my god!
Why are you going at this angle?
Because it's already open!
You could call me a skater boy. Skate life. Whatever. Do the grind.
So we're grabbing food for...
How are you with Thai food?
Yeah, I'm good.
That was not strong.
I was confused by the question. Why would I not be okay with Thai food?
I don't know.
Do I have something? I don't have anything. Do you have something against Thai people?
I was wondering if you just weren't okay with spicy food.
Spicy food? No, I'm fine.
Or if you were racist.
Oh shit! I am racist. Fuck.
Damn, I can't eat Thai food now. I think of them as lesser people. Shucks.
It's like a heart or a butt. Squeak, skirt. Boop, boop.
Wait, how is that ice cream? Okay, we'll see you at your house.
Alright, see ya. Yep.
Movie night!
Movie night!
Hey, fuck you, flipping me off. Fuck you! Fuck you! What do you think you are?
Hey, fuck you!
Hey, fuck you!
Fuck you! Fuck you!
Who's your mother? Who's your mother?
Who's a fucking kill your mother?
When you get to Evan's house before him, I think it's karma for them flipping us off. Because I just want to say on the vlog now, they started it.
They did. It's all their fault. They were the one who flipped us off first.
Yeah,
and we did
clearly.
nothing. We just
flipped off in self-defense.
Right, exactly. Jesus Christ, I hate you. You pissed off Paulo. Look what you did.
Oh, hi, George. Hi, vlog. Oh, my God. Hello. I'm Paulo. Hear me bark. Yep.
That's not me talking. That's Paulo talking.
Yeah, that's me talking. Wow. Oh, you're Paulo. Chocolate's gross. It's poison. Dog poison.
What else do you think about food?
I love food. It's yummy and it's really delicious. Oh, my God. I love food. It's my favorite thing in the world. I think James Comey is stupid. I think he's real dumb. He deserves to get fired. Yeah, Trump is the best. He knows what's right. I think he knows the best.
What? Why are you looking at me? Focus on Paulo.
Yeah, listen to me when I'm talking to you. See, this is the problem with this country. People like you. Oh, yeah, I vote for Donald Trump because make America great again. Yeah, high five. I think he's the best. Oh, my God. We're so tight. Yeah, we're like bros. Build a wall. Build a wall. 10 feet taller. 10 feet taller. Next question. What's he gonna do for dogs? Well, like everything, of course. I mean, like he's gonna keep out all the mutts and all the illegal doggy immigrants, those mongrels that keep stealing my kibble and taking my jobs. Oh my God. Which the...
Awful.
That wasn't me. It was Paulo talking.
Oh, look. Here they are.
Do you think Donald Trump just puts one of these guys on his head?
Where do you think he got his hairstyle? He's got it from me because I'm the best.
The French
Oh,
election.
you were talking about...
That French thing, I shot the Lady Show one because she was pretty awesome. She didn't like any of the immigrants. I saw she was hot. I'd go doggy style on her any day.
Oh, God.
Shut
I
up.
just want to...
Hey, no, that's gay and that's wrong.
That's not nice to say.
Jake, why?
Jake, you come into my house?
And you miss!
Anyone want to try Takis?
No!
Why? I've never had these before.
He's drooling.
What?
Someone try Takis, they're disgusting.
Get in the fucking bathroom right now. Oh my God.
Paul is in that bathroom and it's starting to smell so bad out here. Oh my God.
I hate this.
Oh my God. Paul, bud, do you want to come out?
I'm gonna take a walk. Fuck.
Oh no, there's no! Oh shit, that's what it smelled. God damn it.
No, some of it's definitely still Paul.
Paul took a picture of his shit.
Ew.
Can I see it?
Ew.
Oh my gosh!
It's so disgusting.
Cookies. Buy them.
Anywho, we're gonna watch Apocalypse Now.
Goodbye.
Horror has a face, and you must make a friend of horror. Horror and moral terror.
Here's Paulo.
God damn it.